How to make money 2023. 1. Freelancing. With the growth of the gig economy, freelancing has become a popular way to make money. You can offer your services in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, and more. 2. Online businesses. Starting an online business is becoming easier and more accessible. You can sell products or services online, or create digital products such as ebooks, courses, or software. 3. Investing. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and real estate can be a way to earn passive income. 4. Affiliate marketing. You can make money by promoting other people's products or services through affiliate marketing. This can be done through social media, blogs, or other online platforms. 5. Renting out assets. You can make money by renting out assets such as property, vehicles, or equipment. This can be done through platforms such as Airbnb, Turo, or peer renters. Remember, it's important to cons. 6. Social media influencing. If you have a large following on social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you can earn money through sponsored posts, product endorsements, and affiliate marketing. 7. Online surveys and paid tasks. You can earn money by participating in online surveys, completing paid tasks, and watching advertisements on websites such as Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Amazon Mechanical Turk. 8. Online tutoring and teaching. You can earn money by tutoring or teaching online, either through your own website or through platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare. Please subscribe.